Welcome back to Engineering Graphics class. In this session, we are going to discuss how to solve the development of lateral surfaces of a solid using Solid Edge V18 software. Let me go to the question. A pentagonal prism of base side 30 mm and axis length 60 mm resting on HP on its base with a base side inclined 45 degree to VP. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 40 degree to HP and passing through a point on the axis 30 mm from the base. Develop the remaining surfaces of the truncated prism. Okay, here the given pentagonal prism. So we need to take the pentagonal by using application macros, run macros. In the run macros, inside polygon option we need to take, and here number of sides we need to enter 5, and we need to take the flat lengths and side length they given 30, and we can click on the sheet. The pentagon will come. And now, so next is this pentagon, one of the base is 45 degree inclined to VP. So we need to make one of the base is 45 degree to incline to VP. So first we need to take the line, and then the normal line we can take, and we can draw the line here. 45 degree angle we need to give, and you can show that angle by using angle between option 45 degree. Now any one side should be on this 45 degree line, then we can make one of the base side is inclined 45 degree to VP. To give a move, make that we can use the move option, select the pentagon, and you can pick from the one point and you can place it on the 45 degree line, and then next go to rotate and select the pentagon, and one end is already on the 45 degree, make it fixed point and go to the other end, make this one moving point and make sure this line should become on that 45 degree line. Like this we can make it 45 degree inclination. And after that we can go to the naming. We can give the naming, so A, B, C, D and E. And to get the center, so we can take a normal line, draw the bisectors, and the intersection points will be the center, and we can take that one as O, and then go to line. From all the points we need to draw projection line up to XY, and from the center also we need to do it. And height of the prism they given 60 mm. So from all the points we need to take 60. While doing all these things we can do it with the normal line, because after cutting with the cutting plane the remaining portion we can make visible, because they said to show the development of remaining portion, so we can make the remaining portion with the visible line later. And the axis line go to the center, and here we can take this point as a center line, and one more side, this is okay. Here we can give the naming of these sides. A dash, this side is A dash, and this one is we can take down B dash, and this one is E dash, and here O dash, and this is C dash, and this one is D dash. And then after naming it, next step is we need to take the cutting plane. So here they said the cutting plane is inclined 40 degree to HP and passing through an axis 30 mm. 30 mm is almost it will come on the midpoint, because total height is 60. You can show the dimension by using this is 60 and this one is 30. Now on the midpoint we need to draw the cutting plane the cutting plane of the inclination here 40 degree. So cutting plane, we will take it, and from the midpoint you click it, and the angle we need to give 40 degree. So 40 degree we can cut this, and same line we can extend it by using extend to next option. Just click on the line, it will keep on extending like this, and we can show the distance from the midpoint, and this is 30 mm. And now, so we can name it all the points where and all this cutting plane is cutting on these vertical edges. So this is the A. So on the line A it is cutting at the point 1. You can take this point as 1. And at the B it is cutting this point, you can take it as 2. And then at the C this is cutting this one, we can take it as 3. And then D it is cutting, it can be 4. And at the E it is cutting, it can be 5. Like this we can name on the individual the edges where and all it is cutting. We can give it in a sequential order on the sides. So it is cutting at the 5 points. We already named all these 5 points. Now we will come to the development part. So go to line, normal line. So we can take the same base, and height will be same 60, and one side is it is 30, so we can take the 30 here, and then make one rectangular box. And now same 5 rectangular box we need, because when we unfold the pentagonal prism, so it will 5 rectangular box we can get it. So by using mirror option we can get that 5 similar rectangular box. Go to mirror and select the one rectangular box and go to the right side edge, then click it, and then again click it, then click it, then click it. So totally 1 2 3 4 5 boxes we got it. And then each the line we can give the naming. This is edge A, this is a B, and this one is C, and this one is D, and this one is E, and this is a common for A. And now all these 5 edges we need to mark all the 5 points. So that one we can doing by taking normal line, we can mark it here. Start from the 1. So if 1 is here, and the same one is on a A, we need to mark A is here, we can drop to here, and one more, so here we can drop. And 2, this point 2 is coming on a B, so draw the line up to this vertical edge B. And then 5 is on the E, so from here we need to go up to the E, so we can draw the line up to the E. Then 3 is on C, so draw the line up to the C. And then 4 is on the D, you can draw the point 4 here. And we can name all these points for our reference. This is a 1, and this one is 2, and this one is 3, and this one is 4, and this one is 5, and this is back to 1. And now go to line, visible line. So you can join all these points with a visible line. So base to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, and back to base, and join the base with the visible line. And one more here also we need to make the remaining portion with the visible line. So draw the line below the cutting plane, what and all it comes, we need to make that point visible. So here from 5 to, and here 2 to. Okay, now this is the cut portion, remaining portion of the pentagonal, the prism, and now the development portion of this. So now the problem is completed.